this customer's AC is still working. But here's the reason why we've been replacing all his other ACs, and this is the last one left. You hear the reason? Yeah, it's noisy. And he's trying to enjoy his backyard. And this is unacceptable. So let me show you what we've been replacing with and what's acceptable. Do you hear the difference? I'm gonna get a little closer here. This thing is on. Trust me. Do you hear it? Or do you still hear that unit? It's not just about whether it's working or not, it's about quality of life. Sure, it's working. 30 years old, it's working. Some people will say, hey, why change it? You tell me why.